This is Benique, and I'm speaking to you from my lovely room, workshop room here in my beautiful home by the sea on the Wild Atlantic Way in Ireland. I thought I would take the opportunity just to say a few words about my upcoming workshop, Healing from Within. I do these workshops regularly every year, and I guess they are retreats also. And they're about healing the soul in a general sense. But I started this work. It's something that came out of my last book that I published in 2004, Love in a Time of Broken Heart, Healing from Within. And of course, so when we talk about healing from within, what I've been doing since then, and of course the work is always evolving as we are, the work of the soul and understanding the soul and healing. It's a combination of Jungian depth psychology with spirituality. So in the workshop, I use sacred poetry, I use music, meditation, and visualization, and we meet for 3 days. It's a small group. I work with groups maximum of 12 people, and so we come together, if you like, for healing. And so what needs healing in each person becomes apparent through the 3 days, because it's an opportunity, like any retreat, to enter into a different space and to listen and to be with ourselves, to listen to the unconscious, how it comes through, sometimes in dreams. Different things will trigger imagery from our own unconscious, and we work with these together in the group, and it's a very beautiful surrounding. We're nurtured by nature, and house is on the beach, so it's an opportunity to work at a very deep level, or to trek the soul, if you like. And because I'm a teacher, there's an element of teaching within the workshops. I talk about the archetypes. I talk about our own sort of everyday archetypes, like the inner child, the inner saboteur, the victim, the prostitute. I talk about all the if you like, the internal psychological mechanisms that are at work with us. And we just then see what happens. So I would invite you to have a look at my website, www.soul-connections.com, and hopefully it would be great if you would join us on one of the retreats. There is one, the next one, at the end of September. Thank you.